Have amazing and a blessed day to everyone. And welcome to our vlog with our family time together to share it with you guys. Good morning, guys.
Hi.
So for today's video, guys, we will going to a new park that we discover right here. We haven't been here, so see what it looks like. Are you excited?
Yes.
Show your excited face. Ay, ay, ay. And then we will going to have a family day. At the same time. Fun? Yes. Okay. Let's have some sticky rice, guys.
Continue on Blanding Boulevard for 1 mile.
This one.
Uh-oh.
So see you later, guys. And come and join us to explore these wonderful and amazing parks all around here. Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye. And up. Good morning, guys. We are in a John Hayes Memorial Park, and this is a tiny little amazing park. So this is their parking space. As you can see, they are next to the neighborhood. There's a lot of cats right there, and then I think that's crow. Look at that. And then I think this is their restroom paste, petways, and some stuff. It's beautiful here. They have one gazebo that you can have your birthdays right here if you want it. This is so cute because it also has a zip line.
Careful.
There you go.
Come here. You can't do it wet. You okay?
There you go, guys. You can see. I just want to show you the entire. As in, it's really tiny, but it's so cute. It's so beautiful. And then they also have some stuff right there, the music stuff right here. Let's see what they have over there. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Seal.
So look at mommy. Sylvia.
They have a swing right here that you can swing.
Sylvia, don't go down the ramp. It's wet. Okay? Don't go down that. It's wet, okay? Careful. No, Sylvia, don't go up there. It's wet. Okay? Be careful. Honey, she needs your help.
Okay.
It's wet up there. She needs your help. It's wet.
And that's the swing. And there's another gazebo right there. And this has a zip line. Is this a zip line, like
Yep, just
zip line swing,
the one
like
in Sand
yeah,
Park.
like it's so beautiful.
1, 2, push off, 3. Here you go. Woo! You didn't push hard enough. Did you like that, Sylvia? Ah.
It's so fun. Let's try the thing like that.
What?
Okay.
It's wet. Be careful, sweetie. It's wet. Pull up with your arms, Sylvia. Arms. Put your arms up first. Sylvia. Arms. Do your arms, then your legs, okay? There you go. Arms. Arms.
We can go right there, baby. Check it out. Let's sit there.
I got that out. That's my towel. Arms. Pull your arms up.
You can go, my love. Okay. Hold on.
Arms. Arms. Pull your arms up, honey.
Put your arms.
There you go.
There you go. Just hold on tight.
Do your arms.
There you go. Okay. There you go.
Railing.
Look at
There
that.
you go.
Push yourself
Good
up.
job. Push up.
Push it up.
Pull your arms.
Up. Okay. Go. Yeah, you can.
No, you can do it. Go.
Okay. Let me help you.
Go.
Push yourself.
Pull.
Hold.
Arms.
Pull your
Good
arms.
job. Yay.
Okay. Left.
We have to start bringing a whole towel if we're going to come here in the mornings.
Okay.
Look at this one. She's a trooper, guys.
Honey, you can go.
She is so athletic, it blows my mind away. Which one? One.
Hold on. Okay, hold on.
Do it together. On the count of 3, okay, Sylvia? 1,
2,
2, 3. Go. Whee! Come on.
Oh my God.
Go.
Come on, go. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, baby. I'm here. Mommy's here.
Come on, pull her. Come on, pick your shoes up.
Pick your shoes out.
Whee!
Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I have another thing. Okay.
Be careful, honey.
It's a little bit nippy today.
Watch her because it's wet. It's a little more slick.
Okay.
Pull up your arms first. There you go. Then your shoes. Okay?
How?
No, you could do it. Arms.
Rusty smell. You have to expect that.
Grab the railings. Stand up.
Go, baby. Woo!
Good job.
Want to slide again?
Mommy turn.
Okay, let's
Mommy's
do the-
turn. Let's see. Wow. I tell you, look at this, guys.
Oh, let's do that thing. Okay.
What's
Try to
that?
tap it.
Swing.
The swing.
Okay. I can't walk fast.
Yeah, just
We're gonna go down there.
yeah, we're gonna go down there.
Okay.
Right here. Please go right here.
Sylvia, say hi. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up to everyone. Yay.
Don't need this.
1, 2, 3. Woo! Ah! Woo! One more. Right, Sylvia?
Let's go down there, baby. Bye.
This side.
Slides are right there.
How I go right here? I can't go.
You could go. Go ahead. Just be careful. Hold on to the railing. Or hold on to the sides of the railing, okay?
No, it's slippery one. I can't go right
Is that slippery? Honey, can she walk through there? Is that slippery?
Not really.
Sylvia, hold on to the side of the railing. You could. What's that, Sylvia?
Guys, we will go now to the there's a nature here that has like a bridge.
This one is a true nature walk.
Oh, this is a nature walk. It's beautiful. Look at this, guys.
These
Oh, you gotta be careful, Daddy. You get. Oh, help, Daddy. Come on. Oh,
Hold her hand, okay?
it's so beautiful. This is next to right here, the park. Be careful, baby. Just hold on the rail.
These railings are hold. Look how cold the railings are.
Yeah, it
Your
is.
hands are freezing.
Just be careful.
And I want to.
This is two ways you could go, left or right.
Yeah. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at this
Where's the
guy.
left come out to? I know the right comes out over there.
Yeah.
Look how slow I have to go down these steps.
You're fine.
You know what?
This is gonna be exciting, Seal.
Yes.
Look at this.
Baby.
She's a big girl now. She can do that. See?
Yeah.
You like it, Seal?
Yeah.
Okay, you go down all by yourself. Just hold on the.
Make sure she doesn't go over the fence.
Nope, she's not. She's not. Hi, say hi, baby.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
There's three ways, left, right, or straight.
I'm sorry.
There you go, baby. Smile, guys. Daddy, smile. Smile. It's so beautiful.
People throwing trash inside. Disgusting. You know that?
Where's the trash?
Where should we go, sir?
Oh yeah, look at these guys. Don't throw trash. That's not good. You can keep it. So we don't know which way we're gonna go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we can go to the right. We're gonna go to the right, guys.
Oh, don't run. This is very slippery, baby. Don't run, okay? Are you taking a video?
Yes, baby.
Don't run, sir.
It's so beautiful, guys. If you want to walk, you want to explore the beauty
Look at the water.
of the nature, you can smell the water.
Look at the water. That's dirty. Look.
Oh,
This big tree here. Look, Sylvia.
look at this jumbo tree right here.
Look at that,
Ooh.
Sylvia.
Ooh.
And show me what's in there.
I think there's a fish there too.
What's in
There's
there?
fish?
No, I don't know. I'm just
Sylvia,
guessing.
look at the big roots.
And show me
You gotta be
what's
careful,
in
Seal.
Okay, be careful.
Okay, walk. It's so beautiful, guys, in John Hayes Memorial Park, located in Middleburg, Florida.
I like it.
Okay, let's go. Follow Daddy. Do not jump. No jumping, baby.
Are you following me, Sil?
Yes.
Let's take a picture, baby. Let's take a picture.
Hold on. Oh, look at this over here. Come here.
Oh, you gotta be careful, Seal. So there's a lot of ways right there. You can go that way. This is where we came from, and then there's a all straight right there, and then you can go right there, all the way right there, and then there's another path right there too, and then this one, guys, it's so beautiful. Oh, look at this! It's so beautiful. Whoop. I think overall this is so beautiful, honey. This is so amazing. One of beautiful parks that we've been, guys. This is the best part. This is the best part of this park. Because oh, look at this. Wow, you can try it, guys. It's so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Oh, that's the end. I think this is a river.
Yeah.
You like it?
Nice.
Oh, that's the end also on the other side.
Take a picture.
Wow.
Don't put on there, it's gonna fall.
Yes.
Let's take a picture when it stays here.
It's so beautiful, guys. Yes, Daddy.
It's going to pour now.
Okay, after one picture.
Hold on. Do you want to see what's on the other side?
Yes.
Okay.
I found 3 birds.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna feed the birds. Yep. Sylvie.
Look at mommy. Make sure she doesn't fall over.
Make sure you're not gonna fall.
Which way we go?
Right there.
Straight?
Yep. You wanna go in the other side?
No, let's go to green sand.
Okay.
We're gonna get the bread, remember?
We're gonna get the bread. Honey. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope you like this. This is located in John Hayes Middleburg Memorial Park. So see you again next time to our wonderful exploring in the park with our family time together to share with you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Bye, baby. Say bye. Bye. Let's go. Let's go to Vincent.
Where you go? Straight, right, or left? So which way? Straight, right, or left? Left? Oh, you're smart. How do you know that? Where's the park at? Right there? Okay. Think you should be able to do this step yourself? Okay, be careful. Hold the railing.
It's beautiful, Lord. It's so beautiful. God is good. These wonderful, amazing views. You gotta be careful. See, wait for me. You had fun?
We're gonna get bread if you get the bird ducks.
Let's go to Vincent.
Sylvia,
He's so cute. No, there are big birds.
they're big.
Why are you running? Daddy's doing his walking. Go, Daddy. Burn that calories. You can do it. Walk right there, baby. Say hi. You say hi.
Hi.
Say Frankies.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Flying kiss.